Oh, hey. It is 12 o'clock in Cali, and we are ready to showcase this drop. I'm going to show you this awesome Avery we had before the drop while we wait for some of you to join. And we let Avery come in here, and then we will start showcasing the drop. Wow. We're going to take a dab out of this soon enough, don't worry. And in the meantime, we'll start over here and work our way down all the different heater McSchmeater egg cyclers. I love the size on these. I thought they were a little big at first from the pictures, but when you get them in hand, they're perfect size and perfect shape. Oh, an amazing function. I should probably put water in one of these. Whew.
Back left.
Nice funnel. Water. Let's go. Oh, hey. Fuck yeah, Mateo on the move. Thanks for joining. So, anyone who is asking, these are all priced at $2K. And it's a steal because they're going to come in a Pelly and with a mood mat, sticker pack. And if you are here watching this live stream and you mention it, and you scoop one of these today or start a payment plan, I'm down to throw in a banger for free as well. Any banger we sell on the site. Yeah, funnel game is great. We are printing these now and we'll start selling them on the site soon. Excited about that. It'll definitely upgrade your game when you're filling rigs, especially 10 mil joints or let alone like 6 mil. It's game over. Wow. I fucking love it. Alright. Trees on trees on trees, and Avery York just joined. Wow, portaling. Fucking positive cats in here. Wow, the highest water level possible, obviously. Let's see how it goes. Woo. And they bloop. Love it. I have a wet carpet right now. Squinting, let's go. Oh, there's Avery. He's coming in here. That's what we were waiting for. Woo. Nice.
Yo.
What's up, Avery?
What's up?
Welcome. Thank you for taking time out of the grind to look at some awesome art that you have created.
Of course, man. Of course.
Oh, and thank you for this Headies shirt, by the way. Fucking such a dope design. I really like it.
Glad you dig it.
Oh,
Got some more
and
of those available too if anyone wants them. I got those in blue and orange.
really dope stickers. Really cool design on both sides.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Glad it fits.
So, thank you. It's perfect. And it's super comfy too. Like really good like material. You did not skimp on these. Good work.
Hell yeah. Shout out to my friend Jacoba for designing the logo for that one.
Hell yeah. Fuck yeah. So we got a pretty awesome drop. These I thought were a little bigger when you took pictures of them in videos, but honestly they're like not that big in hand. They're like the perfect size.
Right?
Oh my god. Yeah.
I was making some a little smaller last summer, but they were just almost like too small where it was like breaking bangers and shit like that. So I figured this is like the perfect height, perfect hand size.
Yeah, I feel like you've got these dialed in. So the design we called them is the Prism Look Scratch, and then this one we called Circles.
Dude, so that one, when I pulled it down, like when I pulled that one down, I was like, dude, this shit reminds me of like the old school Shaq shoe from the 90s. So I've been calling that pattern Shaqnosis.
Wow, the Shaqnosis Circles, we love that. So sick. Also, obviously love the floated opal you always do in this egg cycler design.
Hell yeah. Thanks, man.
Hell yeah. And then this one I think is my favorite. It's the smallest, but still just super symmetrical. We call this one Squares.
Yeah, yeah.
And, oh, yeah. So I'm pretty sure this is like tech that you're doing with fuming, right?
Yes.
Look scratch?
Yep. It's all just like fume scratch technique where like I basically cover a piece of glass in soot. If you look back to one of my most recent reels, there's a video of the homie Stony Baloney working on it. And it's basically just a piece of covered glass and soot. And then you draw in what you want with your pencil or graphite or whatever you know, drawing source you want to use. But yeah, and then you just fume that into the stencil, and then you wipe away the soot, and then that is the first layer of Wook Scratch. That's like the pre-sleeved version of it. And then
So fire.
once it's sleeved up, I sleeve it in like a nice thick clear, and then that's the end result for the prep.
Wow. And didn't you learn this from the banjo class you took?
No, I actually just randomly, well, that class just so happened to inspire me to come up with that new tech like right afterwards.
Oh,
But
nice.
but my friend K-Berg, you know K-Berg,
Of
he, he
course.
he actually told me like years ago, he was like, dude, you know, these dudes that are doing fume squiggles, they're just like drawing on soot. And I was like, drawing on soot? I was like just blown away by that concept. And like immediately after that is when I started dialing it in. So yeah, it's been a few years.
Dude, that's so interesting. Thank you for that background. And this is the last one. We called it Clouds.
Yes, sir. That's the V2 version of the clouds. I've done the cloud pattern like once before a couple years ago, but I wanted to revisit it.
Nice. Yeah, and if you get some good lighting, the black background, ooh, shit pops.
Hell yeah. I love how they
I
each
also
have their
grew,
own mouthpiece. Yeah, I was just gonna say like the individual like fumicello, they each got their own little fingerprint.
dude, yeah, each one is a little different on the mouthpiece. Like if you look at like that mouthpiece versus like that mouthpiece and all of them, the pattern, you extended it, like you made it look good on the mouthpiece. And I like also how the mouthpiece is really flat because sometimes people have like a little indent or something in the mouthpiece and then
Hmm.
hella clean gets caught there and it's just like a annoying and gets sticky on your lips. But this seems like it'd be real easy to wipe off or just keep nice.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Hell yeah. And ooh, I also have this sticker from a few years ago, no big deal.
Oh damn, the Glass Vegas 2020, the
We love
throwback.
it. Little peppermint patty cat.
Hell yeah.
So some lucky person's gonna get that sticker. Everyone's gonna get one of these stickers. Everyone's gonna get a mood mat and a pelly with these pieces. And if you're watching this live and you mention, hey, I watched the live and I just scooped or started a payment plan, you're getting a banger for free as well. And
Damn.
this is the last and banger of your choice, mind you. Any banger that we sell on the website, we got you. This is a heater, and I'm so excited about it. And crazy story behind it too. First ever collab between you and Blue. Really
Yep.
sick accent color. It's like rose quartz and potion mix. So it's CFL and it's a unique like one of one color. Obviously, we love all this blueberry. Oh, and that blueberry like mib in the middle with the opal. You killed it, bro.
Hey, I
So
mean,
sick.
Blueberry sent the heat. Like he sent me a bunch of heat with like more than enough to fuck with. So I was super stoked to get that little marble to throw in there. I don't even think I mentioned that, but just so happened to be like the perfect size for me to chuck in the middle. And then of course the
Dude,
fat one on the back. Like
yeah,
love it.
he really did it well. And also, a cool story behind this is a tiny imperfection on the base and on the side here because it almost didn't make it.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, to be honest, I pretty much brought that piece back from the dead. So I mean, the fact that it has even just the minorest flaws is like mind blowing to me because I was pretty sure it wasn't gonna make it. But
Totally. And
but
in person, the flaws are very minimal. It's just on the side can and on the bottom right here. And you only can really see it if you're in direct light and looking for it. But still, functions insane. It's such a great size and shape. Like,
I was
I
gonna
have
say the function's still 10 out of 10 for sure.
a few people already interested in this one, and I'm interested myself, so I don't blame them.
Yeah,
Whew.
I'm really
Oh,
pumped. Thank you for facilitating that for me, man. I'm really honored to get in with him. Super stoked.
dude, hell yeah. And this is the CFL shot of this piece,
Nice.
which is just very, very purpley.
Yeah, super unique color. It almost has like a satin effect to it.
Exactly. The mix does kind of give it that satiny vibe. Wow, good call. You're a legend. All right, we're going into other mode now. Well, that's about it. We have 4 unique solo full book scratch egg cyclers, the one collab, and a couple like Avery York mats and stickers and things that we can also throw in there. Oh yeah, bloopers only. I love how the Dab and Dad just said that. He knows.
Instead of mine in my van. This is the RV. This is where I get all my work done. I'm in the lab.
Wow, in the lab. Love it. Ooh, taking time out of his busy day for us.
Yeah, man.
Dude,
I'm
let me
working
grab
on some new designs behind the scenes, so expect some new bloop action within the next couple months. We'll just consider this
love
the
that.
refined blooper dumper.
Dude, and everyone wants bloopers nowadays, so that's because of the slurpers being all the rage.
This is true. They do rage with
So
slurpers. That was definitely a game changer. Once the blooper met the slurper, that was it.
exactly, exactly. Oh no, we need a valve, or we just need a smaller pill. So many potential options. Thank you. Okay. Woo.
Oh yeah. There you go.
There we go.
This is my shop cup. So you want to peep the cup?
Whoa, that is a heater. Nice fucking cup. Wow, they're like, put a charmer on it. We might have one of those around here. Oh shit, we do. We
Good
can
old
do that.
piss sound. That's hilarious.
Will you dump the tiniest bit out of that bad boy? Thank you. I feel like that might be adding to the kicking up. Fuck, so sick. I love that people get as stoked about the function as I do. Thank you for tuning in, fam. We're gonna funk a charmer and then we're gonna sign off and say later.
Yeah, shout out to whoever's in here. The homie Select Solventless, what up? Chigga Dabs, Brooded,
Nice.
Cole, Hetty Sal, Sway. We got Top Shelf Mids in here, Dab and Dad, Chris, Squintin, Fire Rock
Wow.
Dash,
Brand
Nicholas.
new charmer with the glow in
Oh
the
yeah.
dark pearl.
I might need to have you send me one of those.
Oh yeah, I got you.
Who did I miss? Sergio, J Rolls, Pax, Cloudy, Wookforce, MPC, Los Angeles. Damn, we got a bunch of people in here. Sorry if I missed a few of y'all.
Oh, there we go.
Oh damn.
Woo, that's a fun one. Oh, blooping, always blooping.
Yeah, those four definitely rage. I've been really trying my best to dial in the function on these.
Dude,
Sorry,
you
five
literally
should I say?
did.
Five. Those five really rage.
Dude, and I've already had like 2 or 3 very legitimate like trade and trade plus cash offers, and I'm just like, all right, let me give people first chance who are cash ready, and then after the show, I'm ready to hear some other offers that might be good. And so I have a feeling these aren't gonna last too long.
Damn, that's awesome that you even like offer that, like the heady trade offer. I mean, you know what I mean?
Dude, yeah, I mean, because if
Beautiful.
they have something desirable, I'm like willing to work with people if they want to get something new and we can make it work for us both, where it leaves me a little room to make money and they can both move. You know, it's a win-win situation.
It's awesome. Love it.
Well, thanks for stopping by and like sharing us some of the info. It was so cool to learn about like how Wook Scratch is made, like what you are always thinking about your patterns and like the different versions of them and this fucking heater collab. Like, you're the man.
Dude, thank you, Jerry. Appreciate you, man. I'm gonna probably once
Oh
I
yeah.
hop off here, I'll probably hop back on, and I'm in the process of making another egg right now, so I'll probably go live in a bit if anyone wants to watch the process.
Oh yeah. If you're not already following Avery, go. You're a fool, and change that, and just go click the follow button. And oh fuck yeah, we have a giveaway running. We just started for this Wook Scratch marble. It's super heady, and all you have to do is follow me, follow Avery, and then comment your favorite Wook name. That's literally it. It's super easy. You could just write like,
you could just put my name.
yeah, you could make up a name. You could write any name you want. There's no wrong answers, and we love it.
Yeah, man. There's not many of those Wook scratch marbles out there in the wild. I think I've probably only made like a handful that I've actually released. So definitely hop on that.
Damn.
Yes, sir.
Look, I hope that stays in the family so I can keep checking that thing out. I've already got lost in it like twice.
I appreciate you, brother. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, you too.
Stopping
Have
by.
a good day, brother.
Yeah, you too, bro. Talk soon.
All right. Peace.